Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to go through how to install SceneBuilder and try to walk you through step by step. So let's get started. From here you can go to your own browser and write this SceneBuilder, and you can see something like this and you click that. And what next? You will have some kind of presentation where you have to click download now. So from here you have to verify which system are you using. Are you on a Windows computer, Mac computer with Intel chip, or Mac computer with Apple Silicon? Or are you on a Linux RPM or Linux Debian or this jar file? So it's up to you to choose what's for you here, and you just click on that. So for me, I have this Mac with Apple Silicon. So I click on this one, and right now we have this message and telling us thanks and where I want to build it. So I will download it to my desktop and then do the installation process. So what we have to do, we come here and now press this one twice. I continue by agreeing here. Yes. So right now I have to move it to the application folder so that I will start using it. So now if I go to the application folder and try to open it, I will probably find it there. So let's do that here and try to find it here. So here we go. Right now you have this. So from now you can start working on your design or whatever thing you want to do. A desktop application with no content. For example, this one has something, and you can from here drag and drop whatever you want. For example, if you want a button, for example, you can write here button, and you can find the button here, drag it and drop it here like this one. And if you want something like radio button, you can also add this one, and so on. There's multiple choices, and you can be familiar with them and start build whatever you are intended to build. So if also you wanna connect this build scene to, for example, to IntelliJ IDE, you can also do it. Okay, let's now make a demo how we can connect our SceneBuilder installed with this IntelliJ IDE with our project. So right now, if I come here, I have this project and this file. Usually it's those file extensions we can open in our SceneBuilder, like this one, .fxml. So if I try here, come here, open in SceneBuilder, so it will ask me the path to find where SceneBuilder is. So for that, first of all, I have to go here to my applications folder. Let's come here, applications. Here we find where is SceneBuilder here. I double click on this one, get info. So we get this info here where you can find this one where. So Macintosh HD and applications, because it is in the applications folder. So what is the name of this one? The application is SceneBuilder, and the name is here, SceneBuilder. So this is what we will let IntelliJ IDE know where this SceneBuilder is. First, we will give this one applications, and we make slash this name, SceneBuilder.app. So where we will put it, we come here again, our IntelliJ IDE, we press here, IntelliJ IDE. For some people it is file, but let me press here. We go to setting, IntelliJ IDE, settings, and after settings we have these languages and frameworks. We press the arrow behind, we come to this JavaFX, we press this one. So this is the place where we have to let IntelliJ IDE where our SceneBuilder is. So as I did the demo, it is in the applications folder, and the name of it is this SceneBuilder.app. So now we apply this one. Okay, so if we try now to open this file, the file here in our project looks like this with the code, line of codes. But if we open it in our SceneBuilder, you will see the representations of those components and properties here. So how we can open it? We just come here, we press on the file, double click on that, we come here, open in SceneBuilder. So now if the path is correct, it should find SceneBuilder and open it and show us the representation of this file content. As you can see here, this is the what we have from the file is these representations, and here we can, for example, do some editing or delete something, like if some components are not what we would like, we can delete, or I can add, for example, a button here. So this is the button BME :0. I will show you here where it is. It is BME, where, let's try to find it here. It is in this place, so we can add a button next to it and try to see how it will change here too. Like this one, we click on this one, we can add a button here. So when it is saved, it should be translated here too. It will add the button next to this one component there. So let me go back here and try to press this one. Here is the inspector and properties of the different components here. We can resize everything here with those settings and options. And this is one way to open a file from our project here to the SceneBuilder. Another way is, let me try to close it, and let's open this SceneBuilder here, and let's give it a little bit of time to rerun or boot again. Yes, it is here. So from here you can also find this project directory and find the file you want to open through this way. Open project here, and you press here, you can go and find the project. So if you find this valuable, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a like to this video. See you next time. And if you have some difficulties, you can also write it down below and we will find a solution for that too. Bye bye.